Hi everyone! If you love art of Johanna Basford, you probably know that next she will publish not a coloring book but a book about how to create your own world in Johanna's style. So, how to draw Inky Wonderland is almost ready to be sold, and we can already see some sneak peeks from the book. It's very excited to see step by step how Joanna created her famous flowers, leaves, flower composition in different shapes. So if you love her style, or if you simply need to fill in your empty backgrounds in coloring books by other artists and you love to learn how to draw such composition, simple flowers, and also to get some advice from Johanna about art supplies. Now she invites you to join her free online course which will start in 7 days. I will leave you a link in the info box where you can watch short video by Johanna where she explains what we will be able to learn during her online course and where you will be able to register. Course will start on October 21st. Johanna promised us free tutorials, free draw-alongs, free download pages, so a lot of exciting things. All you need to do is to enter your name and email and then check your email box, check your letter invitation and confirm your email. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for 7 days until fun will start. I think that it's very exciting to learn some coloring tricks and tips directly from the artist. I already signed up, I got my registration confirmation, and I was quite happy to discover that we can also to subscribe to her Facebook group dedicated to this event, and all tutorials, all videos, all downloads also will be available in the Facebook group. So it's not important where do you live, time difference is not important, you still will be able to take courses, to get your videos. I think that it's absolutely great. Links for the registration in the Inky Art School and also for pre-ordering your copy of the new book will be down in the info box. I am already so excited. I hope that you will also be participating in this wonderful coloring event. Thanks for watching and see you in the Inky Art School.